NAD is a key nutrient to consider if you're trying to conceive over the age of 35. In this episode of Nourish, we'll discuss its impact on fertility and how you can boost your levels naturally. Stay tuned. Today we're discussing all things NAD. So what is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide? Well, it's a critical coenzyme found in all living cells. It plays an essential role in many biological processes, including energy production, DNA repair, and regulating the body's metabolism. Nicotinamide ribosome, also known as NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, are both precursors to NAD+, and are commonly found in supplements to boost NAD+ levels in the body. NAD is not just essential for basic cellular function. It also has an important function in reproductive health and fertility, particularly in women. It plays three key roles. Number one, energy production in eggs. NAD is key to mitochondrial function, which provides the energy necessary for egg cells, or oocytes, to mature and sustain the early stages of embryo development. Number two, DNA repair. Eggs undergo DNA damage over time, and NAD is a major player in the DNA repair process. Adequate levels of NAD help protect eggs from genetic mutations, ensuring they remain viable for fertilization. And number three, counteracting age. As women age, NAD levels naturally decline, which may contribute to a reduction in fertility. NAD can impair egg quality, potentially decreasing the likelihood of conception. Restoring NAD levels has been shown to increase ovarian reserve and improve egg quality, with supplementation of NAD precursors playing a role in supporting fertility. This may be particularly beneficial in women who are over the age of 35. So obviously, maintaining adequate levels of NAD is crucial for optimizing fertility, especially as we age. Consuming foods rich in NAD precursors can help to boost NAD levels. These include whole grains, cow's milk, fish, yeast, and green veggies. Additionally, oxidative stress can deplete NAD levels, so ensuring to eat antioxidant-rich foods daily can help protect cells from damage and preserve levels. Plant foods such as berries, nuts and seeds, and legumes are the richest sources of antioxidants. Interestingly, exercise increases NAD levels by stimulating mitochondrial activity and enhancing overall metabolism. As mentioned, NAD levels decline as women age. A deficiency in NAD can significantly impact sleep and contribute to issues such as insomnia and disrupted circadian rhythms. This is because NAD influences the function of sirtuins, which are proteins that play a key role in synchronizing the body's internal clock, facilitating a more regular and restorative sleep. Now, it's largely unknown how sleep and fertility are interrelated. However, there is definitely a link between short sleep duration, evening chronotypes, and shift or night work schedules, and poorer reproductive outcomes in both men and women. Practicing good sleep hygiene can improve sleep quality, with optimal NAD levels being a supportive factor. Now, while diet, exercise and sleep can help maintain NAD levels, some individuals may need to consider supplementation, particularly if you're experiencing fertility challenges related to age. Nicotinamide ribosome, NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, supplements are being researched for their potential to boost NAD levels and support reproductive health. However, it's important to consult with a dietitian before starting any supplementation. I'll pop our details in the description box below this video. If you found this helpful, please share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Oh, we lost a light. I don't think it's plugged in. Does it need to be plugged in? Welcome to Nourish. My name is Melanie McGrice and I'm a dietitian who specialises in nutrition and reproductive conditions. I'd love you to download my free fertility meal plan. You'll find all of the details in the description box below this video. Now today we're discussing all things NAD. So what is nicotinamide I should have practiced this. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. So, sorry, we might do that bit again.
Yeah, right. That
Thanks.
is a mouthful.
Yeah. Today we're discussing all things NAD. So what is nicotinamide adenine? Oh, no, I messed it up. NAD is not just an essential, Number 2, DNA repair. Eggs undergo DNA damage over time. I'm sorry, it's going a little bit fast for me to get through.
Two?
Yeah. Which isn't me. So, obviously, maintaining adequate levels of NAD is crucial for optimising fertility, especially as we age. Consuming foods rich in NAD precursors can help to boost NAD levels. These include whole grains, cow's milk, fresh fish. Yeah. Share and subscribe. And I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Do you want to do the share and subscribe thing?
Yes, please.
Yeah. All right. Well, you got that off the top of your head, don't you?
Yeah.
All right.
It was just like a paragraph break and then it said sign off and I'm like, am I reading this? I'll pop our details in the